Imagine stepping off the plane in Jamaica. The air warm, the energy vibrant, and there's no stress, no confusion. Just you, your bags, and a luxury SUV waiting. Welcome to Orem Transfers, where your vacation starts the moment you land. Forget ordinary taxis. Skip the ride shares. At Orem, we don't just take you places, we elevate your journey. Whether it's airport pickups, resort transfers, or private charters, we do it all with style and soul. Booking your ride? It's a breeze. Just hit us up on WhatsApp, fill out the details of where and when, and you're good to go. Bonus? You get 10% off just for using WhatsApp to book. No matter your vibe, family getaway, romantic escape, or business run, we've got the perfect transfer for you. Need a child seat? Check. Got lots of luggage? Check. Want VIP treatment? Always? Check, check. With Orem Transfers, your ride is more than transportation. It's comfort, care, and class, from airport runway to resort doorstep. Jamaica awaits. Let Orem Transfers take you there, effortlessly, luxuriously, and always on time. Book now at orem-transfers.com or message us on WhatsApp and start your golden journey today.